How to see your YouTube 2025 recap. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access your 2025 YouTube recap. So if you're having trouble viewing it, just follow the simple steps. First, go ahead, open any web browser like Chrome on your device. Then simply type in youtube.com/recap in the search bar and hit search. You can also go ahead and tap on Open YouTube, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. This will take you to the YouTube app, and now here's what's important. For many people, this recap feature isn't loading yet. Even after tapping Open YouTube, the recap might not appear. You'll find many users reporting the same problem on platforms like X, Twitter, or Reddit. So don't worry, it's a widespread issue. YouTube has acknowledged this and stated that the 2025 recap is being released globally throughout the week. This means if you don't see yours yet, you'll need to be patient, and it should appear automatically once it's available for your account. In the meantime, let's ensure that your app is up to date. So for that, you can go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, and then simply search for YouTube application. If you see an update button over there, instead of open, go ahead and tap on open in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. The recap might not appear on older app versions. So that's it. While there is no way to manually refresh the recap, this method helps ensure that you're ready for it. The feature should appear as soon as YouTube finishes the rollout. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.